Well, it was only 20,000 birth defects. I'm sure as far as the medical establishment is concerned, it's just, as Stalin would say, another statistic. Yes, that's correct. There's another huge medical malpractice that's just emerged, and this time it's called Valproate. Valproate is a drug that's been around for 40 years and is used for epilepsy. Now, to be fair, it does control epilepsy fairly well, and epilepsy is a terrible condition that completely incapacitates people's lives. So Valproate isn't necessarily a bad drug, but what's been terrible is the fact that we've known, or the medical establishment has known for 40 years, that this drug causes birth defects, but haven't bothered telling anybody about it. This is classic medical establishment malpractice. Doctors have this unerring belief that they are bastions of goodness in the world. Actually, the sad truth is that nowadays doctors are just bitches for the drug companies. Valproate was known 40 years ago that this caused birth defects, and the excuse given not to tell patients was that it might distress them, might cause unnecessary distress. I mean, this is just completely crazy doublethink. If it's going to cause them unnecessary distress, that it's going to lead to birth defects, then what is a birth defect going to cause them? It's going to cause them unbelievable distress. So this is, as I've said, another example of medical malpractice occurring at the highest level. You can't trust doctors. It's really sad. And as a doctor myself, I wish I didn't have to say that, but it's true. Doctors, as a profession, have been compromised. They don't think for themselves enough. They don't read their own studies. It turns out just recently in a study I saw, they don't even understand how to read studies. I mean, how bad does this get? I kind of taught myself how to read studies, and it's not really that complex to read studies. You basically just got to go in it and work out, firstly, does the person writing the study have a vested interest to create an effect or find an effect? And a lot of the time now it's true, they do. So going back to Valproate, if you're on Valproate, then you probably should carry on taking it, but you need to be aware that if you're trying to get pregnant, that Valproate is likely to lead to birth defects. And so you should go and consult with your doctor or your neurologist about the best thing for you. And just ask questions. Do not trust doctors. They haven't earned your trust. It's really sad to say this, but they haven't. And until they start earning your trust, which means that they've got to stop acting as a herd, and as a herd that's just blindly following the leader, and the carrot that's being dangled in front of the leader is money. The whole establishment is working on money. Until they start doing their job properly, you can't trust them. You've got to question them on everything they do, and you've got to ask them if they've read studies on things.